Next speaker traveled very far from Japan to clean up the world. Fujio Kojima of Pirica. Here we go.
Hi, everyone. I'm Fujio, a co-founder and CEO of Pirica, a startup from Japan. At Pirica, we are trying to tackle the global problem of littering. Pirica means clean in Japan's indigenous Ainu language. So first, I want to talk about why we developed Pirica. 3 years ago, I went on a trip around the world and visited 18 countries. And in each country, I noticed the huge problem of littering. Littering causes serious environmental damage and health hazards. So I hate littering and decided to tackle the problem and created an app for it. Pirica is a simple smartphone app that encourages people to pick up litter by harnessing the power of social networks. So here's how it works. Let's say you're walking down the street and find some litter. All you have to do is pick it up and take a picture of it and share. That's it. It's very easy. So pick it up, take a picture, and share. That's it. Oh, don't forget straight away. So your good deed is then rewarded by likes and comments on your social networks, and other people will be encouraged to do the same. When we first shared our idea, nobody believed people would use our app. But result has even surprised us. This film was made to celebrate 3,000 pieces of litter were picked up. It took about 8 months. But now, to pick up same amount of pieces, it only takes 24 hours. And now, currently, 300,000 pieces of litter were picked up in 64 countries. Okay, let's look at the app. So on the timeline, you can find the world become more beautiful in real time. Pirica was born in Kyoto in Japan and grew up in Tokyo. And now it has been used all over Japan. Not only all over Japan, all over the world, not only in Japan. And we have loyal users in Korea also. I can't read Korean, but I'm sure that he is saying how much he loves Pirica. Our service improvements are based on data and figures, and this cycle has achieved 10x growth in monthly pickers in a year, and 1,000x growth in 2 years. And our goal is to reach 100 million pieces of litter by 2016. So let me share our business model. So you must be interested in how we monetize trash, right? So we have 3 business models. First is corporate sponsorships, like a nonprofit. So currently we have 7 sponsors, and gaining new sponsors once every 2 months. And second is we are developing a premium service to support promotion of CSR. Surprisingly, 85% of public companies practice cleaning up activities in Japan. But for most of companies, they lack resources and awareness for CSR activity promotions. So they are hardly introduced or updated on their corporate web pages. So with that, we're developing to the service to visualize the cleaning up activity in 30 seconds. It's only the company to fill out the easy forms and to post pictures of the activities. And so the PR web pages are automatically made like this. So currently, this service is under development, but we have already 5 companies. So 5 companies have decided to use and promise to use our, corporate plan. And the third business model is to to provide reports and consultations to local governments. So local governments also tackle the same problem as Piriker, and so they take many means like this, but I know there is one big problem. So these local governments have no cost-effective way to measure their activities. For example, in Japan, field analysis costs about $100,000 per year. It's crazy expensive. But however, since Piriker already have huge database of littering, so we can provide advices, analysis, or something very low cost for the government. For example, this is a map of littering in Tokyo. So each white point means where the litter were picked up, and this data is very helpful for the local governments to allocate their budgets accordingly. And so this graph shows proportion of each kind of littering. So tobacco is top of the litter, usually, but only April it differs. So why? It's because cherry blossom viewing. Do you know ohanami? It's a Japanese traditional culture. So all of the guys enjoy ohanami, and after that, waste so many litters, and especially for bottles and cans or something, and it goes like this. The bottle cans were very huge. And so our goal is encourage individuals and corporations to pick up litter and cooperate with local governments to realize no littering society. So last but not least, so we are looking for the new sponsors and so to tackle with us. Okay, so let's clean up the world and make the world more cleaner. Thank you so much.
Gambarimashita. Really, really good. Do you have a question for Fujio now? I have a question. What is how many people are you in the team, and how much revenue did you make up to now from your sponsors and other clients?
So actually, we have 8 staffs, including me, and 2 is full-time, and 6 is a volunteer. And actually, so the for sales is only me. Other guys are developer or designer or something.
Mm-hmm. And how much revenue do you have? Did you make up to now? How much income? How much revenue?
Our revenue is about so last year, it's 3, how to say, sir.
In yen?
In yen, 300만 yen, 300 yen, 300,000
yen.
No. 3 million yen, sorry.
3 million yen.
Yeah, just 3
it's
million
about
yen.
30,000 euro. It's not bad. Yeah, it's a good start.
Thank you.
All right, this is Fujio, and thank you very much for coming to Eco Summit. Arigatou gozaimashita.
どういたしまして。Thank you very much. Thanks, Jen.